I want us to use the cube strategy before we solve, so we know what information we have to use. Yes?
I can't really understand what that says.
This here,
Yeah.
this is, I also underlined it as well. How many pink and red roses did the city flower shop sell altogether on Valentine's Day? What does the U stand for in the cube strategy?
Underline.
Underline. Go ahead, you can read it from your. You just glued it together. What does the cube strategy stand for? What does the U stand for? Excuse me.
Underline.
You don't have to. You can just read it. Read it. It's okay.
Underline the problem.
Read it. Stop. Take the time to read. You don't have to memorize it. This second.
Underline the question.
Underline the question.
Yeah. No, just underline. Underline the question you need to answer.
Underline the question you need to answer. See, you got to read the whole thing. This is why this is in here. Do you have this in here?
No.
What do you have in the U place?
All I have so far is how many pink and red roses did the.
Okay.
That's it.
For B, box in key math terms. Who has this for B? What do you have for B, sir?
Me?
Yes.
I'm still writing.
You're still writing. What would you put in B? What did I say? Yes, what is the key math word we have to put in? Excuse me. Corey, what is the key? Yes, what is the key math terms? Do you have this in your? Yes. Then, sir, for evaluate and eliminate, what do we have for evaluate? What did you put for evaluate? Oh. More red roses. So now we have to solve. See how this has helped us organize? Since this is so easy, I expect everyone to have the correct answer, correct? Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
Let's solve this problem. William, what was it again? I tapped the middle twice?
Yeah. Wait, no. You have to circle around it and then tap hard. Tap.
Thank you.
It works.
I appreciate you. So, let's solve this problem. We have the information, the cube strategy. We know we have to use a tape diagram. Correct? Excuse me, miss. I don't see you engaging this.
I did it already.
You did? Let me see.
Down here.
For solving the problem, you need to be solving the problem about the flower shop. This is recorded, so I want to give you.
So this is the answer?
Yeah. I got the answer.
Okay. You didn't fill this in?
This is supposed to go like this.
Again, what we did was we went to put the information inside the cube strategy before we went to move on. The question says, how many pink and red roses did the city flower shop sell all together? We're trying to solve all of this. This is why we use a tape diagram. This is why we put the information inside. Yes, you have the answer? Who has the answer?
I did it exactly.
You did exactly this. You have the answer?
Yeah.
Give the class 2 more seconds. Because remember, this is easy, right? Dylan. Did you finish? I guess you had a party hard yesterday. No, it was Sunday. Who's finished? Who's finished?
Yes, you should be writing this all down.
There's only one problem with, what are you talking about? There's only one problem. We did not move from the first problem at all. We're on the same exact problem. We don't move on to another chapter until we finish chapter before. We can't go to problem 2 because we did not finish problem 1. Who has the answer? Okay. What answer do you have?
22,451.
Is this the answer, class? What did you get?
22,353.
What did you get? 37,000. What did you say again? 45? Class. Yes. Excuse me. No, please speak. You also have this answer here. Class. This is easy, right? This is easy, right? Who said this was easy again? Sir, what did you get? What answer did you get? You didn't do this yet. But it's easy. What have you been doing this whole time? So what answer you don't have anything yet?
Oh yeah, I got that answer now. I have everything but the answer.
Okay. Class. Excuse me. Class. What answer did you get? You didn't get the answer yet? Okay. I want you to go back to the cube strategy point. I want you to go back to what we wrote into. This is why we use the cube strategy. This is the answer for combining the red roses together. Once we get this answer, we have to add it to this answer. Once we get this answer, we have to add it to the pink. So this is all the red that was sold, and then we have to add the red to the pink. The question says, how many pink and red roses did the City Flower shop sell all together? It didn't just ask for red roses, it asked for all the roses together. This is why we evaluate. Do this with me, class. What are we doing? We are evaluating and eliminating. Okay? So, very good attempt. Very good attempt. You just missed one step. This is why the tape diagram helps us. Do we understand, class?
Yes, turbo chicken.
So, we're going to do the next one together. Okay?
And one second, Mr. Conway, so how do you think it will be for Hannah to learn if Mr. Conway has to keep stopping his lesson and speaking? So while Mr. Conway does this one together with you, let's keep our zeros on so he does not have to stop. And also, this will help you at home. You can watch back Mr. Conway teaching, so no words while he does this next one, please.
Yes, sir.
What next one?
The next one is doing the next page. And again, class, we add the red roses together to the pink roses, and this is how we came with this answer.
I don't know what page you're talking about.
I'm going to show
We
you.
did this one too.
Yes, we did, but did you notice? Excuse me, did you get this answer here? Did you get this answer? We're going over the same thing to also show you how consistently this will help us get the same answer. That's what math is. It's going to help watch it. It's going to help us get the same answer. Yes. Okay. So let's go to the next one.
The next one, Brandon, you ready? Problem 2? Okay.
Remember, we circle, we underline, box, key, math words. And then we have to solve and double check. So, you have another question. Problem 2. Solve a two-step word problem using a tape diagram and assess the reasonableness of this answer. Remember what we said last time? Sir? Sleeping Beauty? Remember? Assess the reasonableness of the answer. What are they asking us to do here? They're asking us to round. Remember? Class, do you remember? Beautiful. Now I want you to do the same thing. We're going to do this together. I want you to do it first, and then you're going to help me. You're going to help me put the information in the cube strategy part. So, everybody, you can work with a partner if you need to. Okay? Work with a partner. Figure out the information that goes in the circle. Figure out the information that goes that's underlined. Figure out the information that is boxed. The key information that is boxed. Let's evaluate it and eliminate it. Sir, it's not our class. We don't need to do that.
Okay, online learners, now this is your time to solve. And then we'll go over the answer together.
Y'all can work together. You can work together. You have a question, ask somebody. I expect that since you guys are all mathematicians, we're all going to get this right. We're going to help each other.
We're not.
We got 5 minutes.
My mom is.
Your mom is, excuse me?
What
Your mom's a mathematician? She's a genius. Sir.
My mom's a biology major.
Genius.
I'm gonna wear a headset. Okay.
Alright, so I'm putting on the 5-minute timer. It starts now. Let's begin.
Excuse me, sir. What are we doing?
Please do not forget
What are
this
we
is
doing, sir? What are we
recorded.
doing? What are we doing, ma'am?
Oh, no, I kept on driving my
I understand. All I want you to do is put the information inside the chart. That's all I'm asking you to do. I'm not asking you to solve anything. I'm asking you to put the information in the chart. Information in the chart. I'm sorry? If you finish the chart part, you can begin. Yes. What does that mean? What is that? I forget. Go ahead.
You could be talking about math words, but now things are like
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let me get this. Let me get that. Excuse me. I need the information. What do I need? Do I need something right now?
This is going forward, and it's not.
Excuse me?
The communication log you had, same thing.
There you go. Not bringing the garbage too. What are we doing? Again, class, the instructions are, all I need you to do is put the information inside the chart because we are learning to use the cube strategy. That is our focus today.
Mr. Conway, do you know how to sew?
I don't answer anything but math questions at this moment.
It is a math question.
Do I know how to
Focus
sew?
on your work.
I'll answer that as soon as you do what you gotta do. Excuse me. When you need garbage thrown out, you request a teacher and we bring the garbage to you.